Have you ever thought about turning your skills into an online course? Picture this: you, sharing your expertise with the world, generating income, and making a positive difference. Online courses provide a platform for us to do just that. They allow us to reach out to a wider audience and, in the process, turn our skills into a sustainable source of income. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we walk through the simple, manageable steps to create and sell your online course. Firstly, pinpoint what skills or knowledge you have that others might find valuable. This initial step is all about self-discovery, a chance to truly delve into the vast ocean of your personal and professional experiences. What are the things you excel at? What are the topics you could discuss for hours on end without losing enthusiasm? The key here is to focus on areas where you have an edge, your unique selling points. Perhaps you've had a long career in finance, or maybe you're a whiz at organic gardening. You could even be an authority on ancient Greek literature. Your expertise might stem from your professional skills, hobbies, or academic knowledge. The beauty of online courses is that there's a market for nearly every kind of knowledge. So don't limit yourself. Explore your past experiences, your passions, and the unique insights you've gathered over the years. Remember, your unique experiences and skills can provide immense value to others. After identifying your expertise, it's time to conduct some market research. Market research is your compass in the vast ocean of online education. It helps you understand the demand for your course, know your potential students, and check out the competition. It's all about answering the question, is there a market for my course? Let's start with understanding demand. You might be an expert in a niche field, but if there's no demand for it, your course could end up gathering digital dust. So how do you gauge demand? A simple Google search can be a good starting point. Look for forums, articles, or blog posts related to your expertise. If there's a lot of chatter about it, chances are there's demand. Next, consider your potential students. Who are they? What are their pain points? What are they hoping to gain from your course? This is where online surveys come in handy. Tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey can help you gather insights about your audience. Ask questions about their interests, their challenges, and what they hope to learn. This will help you tailor your course to meet their needs. The final part of market research involves scoping out the competition. You're not the only one with expertise to share. There are likely others offering courses similar to yours. Don't be disheartened. Instead, use this as an opportunity to differentiate your course. Check out their course outlines, read reviews, see what their students liked and disliked. Are there any gaps you can fill? Can you offer something they don't? Social media polls can also be a powerful tool for market research. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn have built-in poll features that can help you gather real-time feedback from a large audience. And don't forget online forums like Reddit or Quora. These platforms are gold mines for insights. Look for questions related to your field of expertise. The more questions there are, the more likely there's a market for your course. Remember, market research isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. As you develop your course, continually check back in with your potential students and the market to ensure you're on the right track. Market research is crucial to ensure your course meets the needs of your potential students. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter: creating your course content. Crafting the blueprint of your course is the first step. Start with a clear outline that maps out each module and lesson. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your course and ensures you cover all the necessary topics. Think of this as your course's skeleton, providing the structure upon which everything else is built. Next, let's talk about creating engaging content. Your content should be informative, yes, but it should also captivate your students. Use compelling language, real-world examples, and practical exercises to keep your students hooked. Remember, learning doesn't have to be boring. In fact, the more enjoyable you make it, the more likely your students are to stick around and complete the course. This brings us to an important point: the power of storytelling. Stories are not just entertaining, they make complex concepts easier to understand and remember. So weave in anecdotes and case studies throughout your course. By doing this, you're not just teaching a subject, you're sharing a journey, your journey. Let's also discuss learning methods. People learn in different ways. Some prefer reading, some learn better by watching, and others need to practice to understand. So incorporate multiple learning methods in your course. This could mean combining video lectures, written materials, quizzes, and interactive exercises. Now, a quick word on quality over quantity. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that more content equals more value, but that's not necessarily true. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that delivers clear, concise lessons. After all, your students' time is valuable. Respect it by providing them with content that is both meaningful and manageable. Remember, your course content isn't just about imparting knowledge, it's about creating an experience, one that your students find rewarding and enriching. Your course content is the backbone of your online course. Make it count. Once your course content is ready, you'll need to decide where to host your course. You've got two main options here: self-hosting or using an established platform. Let's talk about self-hosting first. This option gives you full control over your content, pricing, and student data. However, it does come with a few challenges. You'll need to manage the technical aspects yourself and build your own traffic. On the other hand, established platforms like Udemy or Coursera handle all the technical aspects for you. They offer a ready audience and some promotional support, but they also take a cut of your earnings and you have less control over pricing and student data. Both options have their pros and cons, so weigh them carefully. Think about what you're comfortable with handling and which aspects you'd rather delegate. Choose the platform that best fits your needs and start uploading your course. Finally, it's time to decide how much to charge for your course. This decision isn't one to take lightly, as it directly impacts your potential earnings and the perceived value of your course. Firstly, evaluate the value of your course. What knowledge are you imparting? What impact will it have on the learners? This will give you a baseline to start from. Next, consider the market rates. What are other similar courses charging? Remember, you don't have to match the lowest price. Your course's unique selling points could justify a higher price tag. Finally, think about potential discounts. Offering a reduced price for early signups can incentivize quick enrollment. Additionally, consider bundle purchases. If a student buys more than one course, a discount could be the perfect incentive. Remember, pricing is not merely about covering costs, it's about recognizing the value of your hard work and expertise. Pricing is strategic. Set a price that reflects the value and effort put into your course. With your course ready and priced, it's time to promote it. Promotion is like the heartbeat of your online course. Without it, your hard work might go unnoticed, hidden in the vast digital landscape. Think of it as a spotlight, highlighting your course amongst a sea of options. Let's start with social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn can be your best friends. Post engaging content about your course, share snippets of knowledge, or even run targeted ads. Remember, the goal is not just to sell, but to create a community of learners who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Next, we have email marketing. This is a powerful tool, allowing you to directly communicate with your potential students. Start by building an email list. You can offer a free module or a sneak peek of your course as an incentive for people to sign up. Regularly send out newsletters, course updates, and personalized messages to keep your audience engaged. Content marketing is another great way to promote your course. Start a blog, create infographics, or even host webinars. The goal here is to provide valuable content that showcases your expertise and raises awareness about your course. Now, let's talk about collaborations. Partnering with other experts in your field can help you reach a wider audience. Host joint webinars, guest blog, or even cross-promote each other's courses. This not only extends your reach, but also adds credibility to your course. But remember, all these strategies are most effective when you target the right audience. Understand who your potential students are, what they need, and how your course can help them. This will allow you to create promotional content that resonates with them, making them more likely to enroll in your course. In conclusion, promoting your course is not just about making sales, but about creating a community of engaged learners. It's about showcasing your expertise and delivering value to your audience. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Your course deserves to be seen. Promotion is key to get your course in front of the right audience and start making sales. All right, folks, we're nearing the end of our journey. If the tips and strategies shared in this video have provided value to you, why not give us a thumbs up? It helps the video reach more people just like you who are looking to transform their expertise into an online course. And while you're at it, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we upload more content like this, packed with value and insights. So go ahead, click that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the conclusion and summary of our step-by-step guide to creating a successful online course. Remember, your journey to sharing your knowledge with the world is just a click away. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning your skills into an online course. We've walked through identifying your unique expertise, conducting thorough market research, creating engaging course content, selecting the perfect platform for hosting your course, setting a competitive price, and promoting your course effectively. It's a journey, but a fulfilling one. Remember, your expertise is valuable. Share it with the world and reap the rewards.